come in at the chorus. I was listening to the old one that I did, and I do that chorus twice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I looped it twice, and then I went into the verses on the slower part of the beat. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how I effed that up. That's the reason why. Remember whenever I kept saying I kept hearing myself coming in?
Yeah.
That's what it was. I was starting too soon. Because I was hearing myself where I was actually supposed to be starting at. If that makes any sense.
So you're talking on the...
I'm looking back and I don't know why. Crazy thought. Keep my man right by my side. Doesn't mean he knows, but...
You mean you want to redo the verses on it?
Yeah, because I think I came in too soon. If that makes any sense. Like, I think I was supposed to come in where we heard me at. I don't know if you heard me, but I heard me. I kept hearing me coming in on the first verse. Like, that's actually supposed to still be the chorus right there.
That's supposed to be the chorus?
Yeah, that bass line, that's where I was at on the chorus.
So you want the chorus to come in first? Or you just redo the verse?
I think I just need to redo the verse and come in later, if that makes any sense. Redo the verses and come in later. Because the chorus is supposed to be looped. That's why it wasn't sounding right to me. That's why I wasn't really feeling it. Because I wasn't doing it right in the first place. Because I couldn't hear it right. Now that's where I'm supposed to come in at, right there. And I was coming in